Okay, welcome to Daguhoy. This is a Porcel operational gasoline station with car wash. So here there is a car wash and there is a backup water tank. Inside there is I'll show you the generator. So I'll show you here inside there is a dirty kitchen. Here lavatory, and this is the generator, and there is a beacon space. This lot is also included, so you can build another structure at the back. Okay, so the generator, the motor pump for the car wash, and this is a automatic window machine for the car wash. So this is along the main road. So this is the operational, but today is the employee is day off, only operational during Monday to Saturday, and also they are selling gasol or a price gas. Okay, so there is also a toilet and bath, and also the office, and this is the regular, diesel, and also premium. So along the main road, this area is containing the lot area of 350 square meter. So situated here in Daguhoy Poblacion. So very ideal commercial area along the main road, along the Poblacion, very close to the municipal of Daguhoy, municipal hall of Daguhoy. So if you are looking income generating gasoline station business, so this is for sale. You can consider this one. So munisipyo na likod, no? Very close to the municipal hall, and also very close to the schools, to the church, and also public market. Very close. So this is for sale.